Hello, my friends, and welcome back. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. In today's video, I'm not in the kitchen. I'm taking you guys along to share some beautiful moments from our yearly trip to Savannah, Georgia. For the past 5 years, my husband and my family and I have made it tradition to travel out of South Florida during the holidays. So the girls and I and Hector, we packed up and we are out. Anyhow, last year we explored Paris, and for the past 3 years, we've fallen in love with the charm of Savannah. I can honestly see myself living here, my friends, one day. It's so laid back, so southern, and the people are truly amazing. This year, we stayed in a gorgeous historic Airbnb that made the experience even more special. I loved it, especially that gas stove. We even took a quick trip to Charleston, South Carolina, and enjoy every minute of it. So today, I just want to show you guys some of the delicious food we tried and the lovely places we visited. I sure hope you enjoy this short video. So come along, my friends, and let me show you guys around. So we are spending a week in Savannah, Georgia. Of course, I have to stop at Kroger. Love this supermarket. So I just picked up a few stuff. We're going to be eating out a lot of the time. But we still, of course, I'm going to fix a breakfast here and there. So I picked up the essentials: egg, bread, coffee, some bacon, ham, and of course a creamer for our coffee. We are coffee drinkers, except Tatiana. Of course, we got some goodies, some Kit Kat is one of our favorites here with the family. And yes, these girls love this fudge or brownie ice cream. I haven't tried it, but they swear by it. These are my favorite, okay? So when I want to indulge, I feel better having one of these thin Oreos. I am going to prepare one at dinner. So I'm thinking just fixing a meat sauce, pasta. And of course, I have my favorite Barilla spaghetti brand that I like the pasta. And I did not find any sofrito, so bell pepper, onion, and garlic it is. So this is it. We, again, are going to be eating out. We just want to make sure we have some snacks and, of course, some of our favorite drink. And yeah, some a little wine and, of course, some Red Bull for energy. And of course, some Coke and Fresca. We love Fresca here in the house, actually. It's really one of our favorite drinks. So this is it. We have something to munch on and have breakfast for the week. The first day, actually, was phenomenal, my friends. I started my morning with a cup of coffee and this beautiful view. This was interesting because for me to get on this porch, I had to go through the bathroom, open a window, and sneak out. But you know what? It was worth it every time. I loved it. The first morning, I fixed a delicious breakfast. And let me tell you, I was so impressed with this gas stove. I grew up with a gas stove, okay? But where I live, we don't have the connections for a gas stove. So a conventional electric range it is for me, my friends. I'm not complaining. This breakfast was so delicious. We sat as a family and enjoy this beautiful corner here. And then, my friends, this was the best part. We rented the cutest little moke and we went all over the town. We actually visited a few museums throughout the week and enjoyed some amazing breakfast, lunches, and dinner. And I'll be honest, my friends, at the end of the trip, I think everyone was ready for my cooking again, even me. But I can't complain. We indulge in delicious dishes, delicious desserts, and great coffee. Felt truly like the perfect vacation. And it is every year, actually. We also explored several parks. And my friends, if you didn't know, Savannah is famous for its beautiful green spaces. Let me tell you how cozy and beautiful they are. They did not disappoint me at all. I'm gonna go ahead and speed things up. If not, we are gonna end up with a 3-hour video, and that's not going to happen. One of my favorite part of the museum was actually looking at the beautiful dessert dishes from back in the days, including silverware. Just beautiful. I was just so impressed by the craftsmanship. It's amazing. We're looking at what, 17th century, 18th century, just beautiful pieces. Not to mention the wardrobe, just so much style. Beautiful. I loved it. During our stay in Savannah, we took a little road trip to Charleston, South Carolina, just about 2 hours away from Savannah. But one day was not enough. We are definitely planning to go back. Well, my friends, this is where our little journey ends. Thank you for coming along. I truly hope you feel inspired to visit Savannah, Georgia, or anywhere nearby. We're actually about 6 hours away, so it's always the perfect getaway for our family. I've said this before, and I'll say it again. Life is too short, my friends. We gotta live it up. Now, my friend, I am so ready for the holidays, so stay tuned for my next video where I'll be sharing how I transform my front porch, Savannah inspired, of course. Until next time, my friends, take care. Bye-bye.